Hi friends, we usually come across some questions like evaluate the expressions like question 1 I is equal to I plus I etc. and given I is equal to 3. So we have to evaluate the final value for I. Likewise A plus B plus A plus B plus we are using increment and decrement operators like this. We have to evaluate the expression. So here the trick is this plus postfix and the plus prefix evaluate in two different ways so that it will end to a wrong answer always. Okay, let us go for one example. Okay, I have solved one problem here. Look, int I is equal to 11, I is equal to I plus I. That is, I is incremented by postfix method, and here I is incremented by prefix method, and we have to print system.out.println I. What is the value of the resultant I after executing this statement? Okay, our statement of execution is the second one. So how we will do this? Initially it is given as I is equal to 1. Our statement of execution is I is equal to I plus I. So here I am giving you a trick for solving the same, that is I is equal to, what is the meaning of this expression? I plus that is a postfix plus expression. This means that if we are using this I plus like this, the execution of statement will first take the value of I, that is the initial value of I is equal to 11 as such, and then increments it to 1 and store it in the memory. Okay, what is this significance, prefix significance? It means that whatever the I value is in the memory, it is incremented by 1 and it is used directly to this I resultant value, and then it is stored in the memory. Okay, whatever the value is, it is incremented first. After incrementation only the value of I will be used. Here the value of I is used and then it is incremented. That is the difference between postfix plus and prefix plus. So I is equal to I is used before increment. This is the notation of this I plus, and I is used after increment. This is the notation of this. Okay, then how it will evaluate? Look, I is equal to, I have written as I. Now the value is 11. So 11 plus even 11. I have written this statement by substituting the value of 11. Again, 11 is used as such, that is, I is used before increment. So 11 is used as such, then I is incremented to 12. What will happen here? First it will increment. So 11 will be incremented first. Okay, but what is the thing here? Here I is incremented to 1 by postfix operation. So now the value of I is 12. So when we using I here, that is a plus I, it is not the initial value, but during execution, what is the value of I in between? It has changed in the first statement itself. That is I is equal to I plus 1, that is 12. So here 12 plus 1 is 30. So I value has changed. Actually it is not 11 plus 1, 12. It is 12 already here. It is incremented and stored in the memory. So whenever we are taking the next I value, we have to take the value that has been incremented by the statement. I is equal to 12. 12 plus, that is 13. That is the current value. So we have to add 11 plus 13, not 12. We will mistakenly add 11 plus I plus means, so okay, 11 plus 1, 12. No. Now the ith value is 11 plus 1, 12. And that 12 is used by the second iteration. So it is 13. That is 11 plus 13 is equal to 24. So the current I value is 24. So it will evaluate to 24, and the result system.i.println will be given as, here it will be printed as 24. That's all.